Hey, what's up, everybody? It is April 28th, 2021, and this here is my Kia Soul that I've had since 2007. And the other day, I was parked somewhere, and I was out running errands, and I came back to see a crack on my door panel here. So, I'm over here at Quality Body Works because the damage, they're gonna have to take a look at it, and from what they're saying, everything they've seen is leading them to consider a total loss for the vehicle. Can you believe that? And I'll show you what I mean here in just a minute. So apparently, whoever did it, they backed up, hit this here, and that energy also transferred over to this side. And I was parked right next to kind of a block thing with like a light pole, and it cracked this here. Look at that. So that's messed up. This whole grill's messed up. And if you look at the hood too, it's completely uneven, so it knocked the hood off as well. But I'll show you why here. What happens when I open the door. The hinge is completely busted, by the way. Hear that? Yeah, that's no good. So the car runs, everything's fine. Mechanically, it runs, it does everything it's supposed to. However, the structural cosmetic issues, the damage, may be worth more to repair or cost more to repair than the vehicle is worth, if that makes any sense. So, yeah, I might be saying goodbye to my Kia Soul. And some good memories. I've had her for, yeah, go like three and a half years. And it's been a really good car. It's one of my favorites. Good mileage. When I got it from Soul Savers, it had some high miles. I think I'm at 123,000 now. I was about 119,000 when I got it. So they may consider a total loss, because I have a feeling that the repairs are going to be worth more than the vehicle is, because it is a 10-year-old car. You know, it's a 2011, so I know it looks nice and it still runs fairly nice, but the outside damage just may be too much to keep her. So I'm just gonna say goodbye now, and yeah. My best memory was going to Maine and back. So she's been a good car. Hoping for something nicer. You know, if we do go down that road of a total loss, and hopefully I can get something as good, if not better. Hopefully newer too, lower mileage. Alright guys, catch you later.